Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is data entry. If you're organized and have a good eye for detail, this skill is perfect for you as a data entry specialist. You'll input, update, and manage information for businesses, researchers, or individuals. Start by practicing your typing speed and accuracy. Many clients pay $10 to $25 per hour for data entry services. To stand out, focus on delivering error-free work and meeting deadlines. You can find jobs on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Remote.co. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Next is Facebook and Instagram ads. Businesses are always looking for experts to help them run effective ad campaigns. If you enjoy analytics and strategy, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of Facebook Ads Manager and how to create targeted campaigns. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per hour for ad management services. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or freelancers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent results, this skill can turn into a high-paying niche. Third is print on demand. If you're creative and love designing, you can create custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding inventory. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator. Many designers earn $10 to $50 per sale, depending on the platform and product. To stand out, focus on trending niches and unique designs. So use platforms like Printful or Teespring to sell your creations. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Fourth is invitation design. From weddings to corporate events, beautifully designed invitations are always in demand. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per design, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating unique and personalized designs. You can sell your services on platforms like Etsy or by networking with event planners. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Finally, let's talk about video editing. From YouTube videos to social media ads, there's a growing demand for skilled video editors. If you enjoy working with visuals and storytelling, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per video, depending on the length and complexity. To stand out, focus on creating engaging and professional edits. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to content creators directly. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. And there you have it. 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose data entry, Facebook, Instagram ads, print on demand, invitation design, or video editing, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.